crafters. Welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. I really appreciate you coming and spending some time with me. If you like the content that's on my channel, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you come along with me as I explore new crafty things with paper and with other types of elements for creating cards or albums or junk journals. So welcome. Thank you so much. I wanted to show you a collection of items that I had gotten from Queen & Company. It's actually one of my favorite companies that does shaker cards, and they have so many different wonderful kinds of kits, and sometimes I think I buy them faster than I can actually use them. So I just want to share with you today the couple kits that I got, a couple other items that were on sale that I bought, and I will link as much as I can down in the description if you'd like to take a look at that. And often, you know, if they do have something that's out of stock, they will bring it back into stock, whether it's this year or next year, so that if you want to get items for the following holiday season, you can watch for those at Queen & Company. You can actually put your email address and they'll notify you when it is back into stock. So enough of that. Let me get into what I got. First of all, I got myself one of the pickup pens for picking up small items, and it's got a little pick on the end, and mine are wearing out that I have, so I needed to get another one. Then I got this little shaker that is a big Q for Queen & Company. It was a gift, so I think it'll be nice to set a couple items on, maybe a paintbrush or something I can do that with. Then I also got a couple of spray bottles. These are just very, very small spray bottles, and I needed something for my desk so that I could have some water in it, so that's why I bought these. And then the next item that I had gotten, I got these as a free gift, these iridescent bubbles, but I also bought these. These were on sale. It's a packet of the rhinestones. And I like their rhinestones. They have 3 different sizes, and they come in all kinds of different colors. And I like rhinestones on my cards, so I use a lot of them, whether it's from Queen & Company or from other places. Another item that I wanted to get was their alphabet dies, and this has also got numbers in here as well. And I believe these were on sale when I got these, but don't quote me on that. And then I ended up getting a couple of kits. This kit, I believe, is new this year. Is there any date on that? I don't see a date on here, but I got this kit as well as I bought what they call, these are the outside border dies, so that you can cut the small pieces of paper inside of the foam inserts. Let me show you real quick what you get in this kit. As you can see on the front that I'm showing you, you get lots of different little designs in there. So you get the die cuts for making the pattern paper to go on top of the foam. Here's your foam, and it's a refill. Well, this is a refill pack, but and then you get these plastic pieces that go on top of the foam to keep your shakers in. And then you get this small, well, it's not really small. There's probably about at least 10 or 15 sentiments on here. Anything from "we go together like apple and pie," "I love fall most of all," "hi cutie pie," "pumpkin pies," "autumn skies and apple pies," "pumpkin spice and everything nice." That's what fall is made for, or made to, is made to. "I love you, a bushel and a peck." There's several other sentiments in here. And then you also get a collection of the beads that can go, the shaker beads that can go into your shakers. And this is the paper collection that comes with it. Let me see if I can do a quick, it's double-sided, and it's a pretty good weight of paper. It's not overly thick, but it's a good weight. So it's not too thin or anything like that, but it's some beautiful colors. And you get, it's a 6x6 matte stack, 16 styles, 24 papers, 3 sheets each of 8 double-sided papers. So those colors go very well together for the fall collections. And I want to show you something else with this collection. So on the back of here, it also shows you or gives you directions on how to put the die cuts together. So you can see that there is something for an apple basket, a give thanks shaker, pumpkins, trees, pies. This looks like a pumpkin pie. This looks like apple pies, caramel apple, a pilgrim hat, and a scarecrow. So there is lots in this kit for different designs. You can go on their channel to see the different designs, and the design team does a really good job of that. So I really enjoy these shaker card kits. And then I also got another kit that I had been watching for a while, and it's called the Birthday Squares set. And basically what it does is it makes a shaker card out of a A2 card, and this kit comes with small stamps like cakes and balloons and different things like that, plus the sentiments. You remind me of me, funny, beautiful, smart, from your 120-pound friend. Happy 29th birthday. So what this is for is to be able to put this in, it's kind of a picture card, birthday card. So these are all different and separate pieces that you can put some shaker elements in, and you can also stamp in these to add a little bit more to the cards. Let me see if I can, oh, here, this is a good picture. I can show you what it looks like. They're all different birthday types of cards, but you can have them all one way, but you can put different stamps in there. You could turn it sideways if you wanted to do it that way, but the stamps and everything fit into those squares. So it makes a really cute birthday card kit. And you get the die, and then you also get the stamp, and you get, there is even some cards in here and envelopes, and also the shaker pieces in here. The other thing that I like about Queen & Company is that they have something that's called their foundation dies. And what they are is they're meant to help you make different types of cards and just to have the basic dies for card making. And this is a foundation number 17. It's a mini slimline, and it gives you cutouts for the outside, you know, just a stitch cut, but here's a scallop cut. And then there's also ones that you can cut out with sentiments. You can cut strips for the mini slimline. You can use these strips to make, you know, collage strips on cards. But this was one of the foundations that I got. This was another foundation die that I bought because I like these little backgrounds here. I like that they had this banner and then this picture frame, these banners, and then even the florals I thought were really good. I don't remember what number this is, but it's one of the newer ones. And then another one that I ended up getting was this one, and it's similar to this die, but it is not exactly the same. This is a little stars with other objects in it. This is all stars, and then these are stars that can be used for embellishments. Another sentiment strip there. This can be used if you wanted to make even looking like a snow globe in a card. And then some different types of cutouts, and you can make a frame here. These could be sentiments. So And again, I'm not sure which one the one is. These two didn't come with numbers on them, so I apologize. When I put them onto my own sheets, I will have the numbers, but I will try to link all of those down below in the description box. So this is my haul from Queen & Company, and again, like I said, I enjoy making these shakers with the foundation dies as well as the stamps, and even their alphabet is awesome. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this haul and seeing some different products for Queen & Company. And take a look at their products. They're fun to make, and they keep refill packs for a long time, so you'll be able to use them season after season. So thank you very much for joining me and spending time with me, friends. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Thank you.